We good to go?
All I knew this morning when I woke is I know something now I didn't before. And all I've seen since 18 hours ago, screen eyes and freckles and your smile in the back of my mind, making me feel like I just wanna know you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know you, know you, know you. 'Cause all I know is we said hello, and your eyes are looking like coming home. All I know is a simple name. Everything has changed. All I know is you held the door. You'll be mine and I'll be yours. All I know since yesterday is everything has changed.
And all my walls stood tall, painted blue, but I'll take them down, and open up the door for you.
And all I feel in my stomach is butterflies, the beautiful kind, making up the lost time, taking flight, making me feel like I just wanna know you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know you, know you, know you. 'Cause all I know is we said hello, and your eyes looking like coming home. All I know is a simple name. Everything has changed. All I know is you held the door. You'll be mine and I'll be yours. All I know since yesterday is everything has changed. Come back and tell me why I'm feeling like I've missed you all this time. And meet me there tonight, and let me know that it's not all in my mind. I just wanna know you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know you, know you, know you. All I know is we said hello, and your eyes are looking like coming home. All I know is a simple name, is everything has changed.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the choreography, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here so we know. This was an example of a custom choreography that we created for 2 of our members. If you're interested in us creating a choreography for you, follow the links in the packages below. Of course, it'll be customized for you and to any song of your choice, okay? That being said, if you did like this choreography, go ahead, follow the link, and it could be yours as well. You can learn it step by step by following that link below. Thanks so much, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.
Feel like I just wanna know you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know you better.